Today, we're announcing the second round of allocations from our Levelling Up Fund, and that's about investing in local areas in order to create jobs and help deliver on that promise to boost growth. In total, we're announcing over £2 billion of funding.
And that's in the UK, and the only thing holding them back is just getting amazing people, right? So that's what is, you guys are just going to have superb jobs to go to when you're done here. It's brilliant.
And it just means master still.
It's great. And that's actually a beautiful design. What is the inspiration behind the...
So I've been looking at like Egyptian hieroglyphs and like culture, and this is taken from that.
It's taken from that, like...
Now, I'm out and about seeing Levelling It Up in action all across the country today. So from Crossrail in Cardiff to Ferry in Fair Isle, we're building on the almost £2 billion and 100 projects we've already funded previously in this fund. Now, you can follow my progress as I go around the country today here online, or alternatively, go to the government's Levelling Up website where you can see an interactive map of everything that we're doing.
You travel an hour to get here every day. So the area is huge. It's just accepted.